Do you know how to make an AI? Don't worry, today we will explore how to make an AI. Hello viewers, welcome to iTechnoLabs. Today, we'll walk you through the essential steps to make an AI. But first, let's understand what is AI. AI, or artificial intelligence, is a branch of computer science focused on creating programs to think and perform tasks like humans. Do you know how many types of AI are there? Well, there are 3 types of AI. 1. Artificial narrow intelligence. 2. Artificial general intelligence. 3. Artificial superintelligence. Let's understand each one of them. 1. Artificial narrow intelligence. Artificial narrow intelligence refers to AI systems designed for specific tasks, lacking broader cognitive abilities. 2. Artificial general intelligence. Artificial general intelligence aims to develop AI systems with human-like cognitive abilities, capable of understanding and performing a wide range of tasks. 3. Artificial superintelligence. Artificial superintelligence envisions AI surpassing human intelligence across all domains, potentially leading to unprecedented advancements or existential risks. Now let's discuss the steps to create an AI. Step 1. Identify a problem. Every AI solution begins with recognizing a challenge that needs solving. Step 2. Obtain data. Data is the lifeblood of AI, fueling algorithms with insights and patterns. Step 3. Choose a programming language, from Python to R. Select the language best suited for your project. Step 4. Choose a platform. Decide where your AI solution will live, whether it's on premises or in the cloud. Step 5. Write algorithms. Craft the logic that will enable your AI to learn and adapt. Step 6. Train algorithms. Through iterative learning, refine your AI model for optimal performance. Step 7. Deploy. Release your AI into the world, empowering users with its transformative capabilities. At iTechnoLabs, we're shaping the future of AI. Contact iTechnoLabs, a leading AI development company today, and start your AI or artificial intelligence journey. Thanks for watching.